Okay, so this is binomial expansion to find the coefficient of the term, in the expansion. So the question is saying find the coefficient of x in the expansion of x squared minus 3 over x raised to the power 5. So to start with, first of all, you have to write the general term. So what's the general term? N combine R, A, N minus R, B, R. So this is the general term. So when you look at this one, our A is x squared, then our B is negative 3 over x. Never forget the negative, these are common mistakes. Then our n is what? Our n is 5. So what do? You substitute your values in the general term. So we have 5 there, combine R, we have our x squared there, 5 minus R, we have our negative 3 over x there, R. So from this stage, what do? From this stage, you say, when you look at this one, you can say, you can multiply this one. Then it will be x, when you multiply, this will be 10 minus 2R. Then this one, the second one, this is same as 3x negative 1R. We have just changed this one from this form to this form. Yeah, I think we all know that when we talk of 1 over x, this can also be written as x raised to the power negative 1. These are one and the same things. So from here, what do? We can say 5 combine R, 5 combine R, x 10 minus 2R. This one, we can separate them. These can be what? Can be separated. How? This power here, the one which is outside, is for both of these values. It's a power for this, for 3, negative 3, and also for what? For, so this will be, if we separate them, it will be negative 3R. Then x, this one, since it has the negative 1, we multiply it to be negative R. Yeah. So what do? You bring the values, which is these terms which is having the value that you are looking for, which is x, you bring it this side. So it will be 5 combine R, this negative 3R will come this side. Then we have there x 10 minus 2R. We also have our x negative R there. Then from this stage we can combine this. So when we combine this, we are going to have 5 combine R, negative 3R. We are going to have, we are multiplying this. So we are going to have x 10 minus 3R. So when we look at this, we have this one. This is the coefficient of the x to this power. So we can equate, since this is x, they are saying find the coefficient of x in the expansion of this one. So we can now, what do we do next? We say x 10 minus 3R is equal to x. Yeah. So we know when we raise each now, when we raise each value by 1, the answer is itself. So this is the power 1. So there we can say, we can follow the rules of indices. 10 minus 3R is equal to 1. This will be negative 3r is equal to 10. When we come this side, it will be like this one. This one will give us negative 9. This one will give us 3. So since now we have 1, what do? We go, this is the coefficient, this one, the coefficient of x. So you go and substitute r in the coefficient. So it will be 5 combine 3 open negative 3 to the power 3. Yeah, so you do the multiplication, and when you do your multiplication, you type on the calculator, you get 270. So this is the what? The coefficient. Thank you so much.